Today I operated a stage 2 lipedema patient. I removed 11 liters, and the frequently asked question is it safe to remove such an amount in a single surgery? And maybe that's a fair question for classical liposuction or the wall technique, water-assisted liposuction, but it's very safe with laser liposuction. Let me explain this. These are the pictures that I found from social media showing the fat removed with wall technique in Europe especially. As you see, more than half of the aspirate is blood and water. But as you see in laser liposuction, it's nearly pure fat. The blood loss is minimal in the very deep portion of the back, and the answer is yes, laser liposuction is very safe.